In this video, I want to show you how to remove all user codes on this lock. This is the Kwikset SmartCode 955 and it's got the same programming as the Kwikset SmartCode 917. Okay, so if you've got any of this lock, you want to follow my instructions here. So I want to show you how to remove all user codes, and you want to do this if you've just moved into a new house or you've lost your code. So you want to clear all existing codes and set new ones. So to do this, what you want to do first is to go over to the interior assembly, and what you want to do next is to remove the battery cover. Slide the cover up and remove it. The next step is to press the program button. This is the program button right here. You want to press it once, and now you want to press 4. Hit this button. Now you want to enter 9 6 times. So let's go. 9 9 9 9 9 9. Hit this button. Enter 9 again 6 times. 9 9 9 9 9 9. Hit this button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash on the keypad, meaning all user codes have been removed from this lock. Okay, so that's it. And now you can set new user codes. And another way to do this is to reset the lock, and that's going to remove all the user codes, including any programming code. So let me show you how to reset the lock in case removing the user codes doesn't work for you. So to reset, you want to go back to the interior assembly. Okay, so you want to make sure you remove the battery cover. Alright, so what you want to do next is to press and hold the program button for 30 seconds. So let's go. Press and hold it for 30 seconds. Keep holding. Okay, once you hear that long beep, release it. Now press it once more. Okay, that's it. The reset is complete. So this is going to remove all user codes, including any programming code. So now you want to go back to the keypad and reprogram the lock. And now you can set user codes on this lock to lock and unlock from the outside. Right now there's no user code, so you cannot use the keypad. You can see it's not working. So you need to set user codes to be able to unlock your door from the outside. So to set a user code, the first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Now you want to press 1 and hit this button. So enter your user code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit this button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your new code is now active. So you can use this code to unlock your door from the outside. Let's test it. Okay, so that's it. So that's how to remove all user codes on this lock and set new ones. And the lock allows you to add up to 30 user codes, so you can repeat the steps to add more user codes. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.